Kabaro, alam niyo ba kung paano at saan magpa-online appointment ng NBI? Kung hindi pa, watch this. Alright?
Okay, so as usual, ilalagay ko rin sa description box ang link nito. At pwede din natin i-search sa Google. Ita-type lang natin NBI Clearance official website. Click lang natin yan. Tapos click natin yan clearance.nbi.gov.ph English, I agree. Tapos, kailangan lang natin mag-present ng 2 valid government ID such as National ID, UMID Passport, Driver's License, Birth Certificate, etc. Tapos, i-close lang natin yan. Yan po ang contact number nila kung gusto mong ipa-deliver mismo sa bahay mo. Kung for renewal yung NBI clearance mo, i-click mo lang yung click here. O di kaya, issued from 2014 to present, fill upan mo lang yan. Tapos, kailangan mo enter yung NBI ID number. Halimbawa nakalimutan mo, i-click na lang natin yung no. Tapos pilapan mo lang yan lahat to sign up. After mong pilapan lahat, i-click mo yung I am not robot. Tapos click sign up. At magsisend yan ng OTP sa number na nilagay mo at yun yung ikikiin mo dyan. Tapos click submit. After that, may lalabas na OTP verified successful, click close. Tapos punta ka sa email mo para i-check yung activation link na pinadala ng NBI. After that, i-click mo lang yung activate account. Tapos merong lalabas na your account is activated, you may now log in. Lagay mo lang dyan yung email at password, tapos click sign in. Tapos, ito yung lalabas, applicant information, personal info mo lang yan, at filapan mo lang yan lahat. After mong mafilapan, click save information. Tapos, submit. After that, may lalabas na profile successfully saved. Then, scroll up. Tapos, click natin yung apply for clearance. Type of ID, click natin yung select. Tapos, piliin natin yung national ID. After that, i-type na natin yung ID number. Tapos, i-click na natin yung I agree. Important reminders, basahin nyo lang yan. Tapos, i-close na natin yan. Then, lalabas yung select NBI branch. For example, dito sa Cebu, maghahanap tayo ng NBI branch dito sa Cebu. Central Mall Lapu-Lapu. So, click lang natin yan. Tapos August 12 PM. So sa hapon merong 26 slot. At ito yung available payment option. Bank over the counter, online banking, cash payment, EasyPay, 7-Eleven, Visa, Mastercard, GCash at PayMaya. Piliin natin yung GCash. Click natin yan, click proceed. Then click proceed to payment. At ito na po yung reference number na gagamitin natin para magbayad sa ating GCash account. Makakatanggap ka rin ng email at text message ng reference number ng babayaran mo. After mong bayaran sa GCash ay makakatanggap ka rin ng email ng payment receipt na galing sa NBI.